Hi, I'm Alicia Rupert, and I am the sales coordinator here at America's Home Place in Statesville, North Carolina. America's Home Place has done really great at kind of showing different videos of customers' houses, our new models, and giving you that content to give you a kind of great inside view of what your options can be inside of a house and how it looks. The downside of that is not every office has the ability to facilitate what another one would. So I kind of want to get into and talk about what the differences are across the different states and offices at America's Home Place. A lot of the times there are offices that use different manufacturers of products. Main reason being that the quality is the same. We do our research and ensure that it has the same warranty holdup and that it's made from highest quality and will look consistent. But you know, what we can get available to us here in Statesville sometimes is starkly different than what they can get further out west or more out down south. As much as we have, quality assurance to keep things consistent, it can't always be exactly the same way because they're in a different state or a different county. We deal with at least 5 counties, and per county they do things so different. So when you get to different offices from different states, some deal with a slab foundation. Our standard happens to be a crawl because that's relevant for North Carolina and where we're at. We try for it to be very consistent in the way that the quality is always the same. The look is the same, but maybe your materials are different or how we orchestrate it or build it has to be a little bit different. The reason why we maybe use different manufacturers is what's available to our subcontractors, what's easier for them to obtain and use, what's available regionally, and then what's most cost effective for our specific area. Things cost different in Florida than it would in North Carolina, and so we do research to make sure that the price of the home stays consistent as well, is relevant and the best for our customers. So if something is available in Florida doesn't mean that it would be the most cost effective or time effective. Some of the things that we deal with here, especially at the Statesville office with our different counties that we have to do before we even start a build is zoning permits, septic permit, building permit, and then that's not including, we have a lot of HOA and communities we build in here because we are around the lake. It is primarily communities, gated communities. They have their rules. We have an architectural board at each one of these developments that we have to present our plans to. They have rules on setbacks, with just the development. Then you have setbacks and rules from the county that you have to abide by as well. So there's all these kind of checks and balances that we need to ensure that we're following before we start digging footings, and once you kind of get there, you're committed to that build. So we have to kind of be mindful about all the different places we have to kind of get approvals from. Of course, we don't want the quality to lack for the customer, make sure we're kind of meeting what their expectations of the look of the house is if we have to make alterations. So there's a lot of little pieces that go into anything before we can even start the actual build of the home or the grading of the property. It's important to check with your local America's Home Place office so that they can confirm what would be the most relevant for your build in your area. If you go to another office, information varies from state to state and office to office, and we want to make sure that the prices that we're providing you and the abilities we have to build the kind of home that you want is available at that specific office that would be facilitating your construction. And for more information, you can check us out at americashomeplace.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe.